This is a brief tutorial on how to launch a new Pulse survey. There's only a few things you can do once you log into your account and get to this basic administration dashboard. You can launch new surveys by clicking over here on the main tile, and then you can view results. There's also some information about us and our philosophy and some of our research as well. But let's launch a poll. Let's click here. Basically a three-step process. The first step is just naming and launching the poll. The second step is to do a self-assessment, and the third step is to send an email or text to people that you want to get feedback from with a link that sends them to this survey. So let's get started. Let's name this new poll Bob's Leadership Poll. Let's select a specific pulse survey type. Leadership pulses are most popular, but a career booster pulse is for anybody that wants to get feedback on how they're perceived by others. A virtual leader pulse is for people that are managing virtual teams to get some feedback on specific competencies that are required to be successful in that domain. And then we have a team survey that gets feedback from the team on 4 basic competencies associated with team success, including shared vision, task management, psychological safety, and dependability. But let's just use a leadership pulse. Click on Launch Poll, and I'm taken to the second step in this process, which is to do a self-assessment. There are 16 questions, 2 questions each for 8 core competencies. I'm just going to answer these questions. By the way, these are the same questions that your raters will answer about you as well. I've answered the questions. I click on Continue, and now I'm to the third step of this 3-step process, where I send this message. I can copy it and put it into an email address, and address it to the people that I want to get feedback from. This message is only suggested in terms of text that you can send people. You can always change this or edit it, but it's a good start. But the main part of this message is this link right here that people will click on to get to your survey and give you feedback. So once you send that out, you return to your dashboard, and that's it. The Pulse survey is launched. You can check up here under the results tile, and you can see that I just launched Bob's Leadership Poll on today's date. The poll will close in 72 hours. That's 3 days. Now you can extend that if you want to give your people a little bit longer, or if you want to invite additional people. Just come back here and click on Invite Contacts, and you'll see that link again with the sample text or email information that you can send. But that's it. After 3 days, you'll get an email saying that the assessment is done, your survey is closed, your poll results are available, and this grayed out tile button will then turn into an orange button that you can view your results and see what people think. That's it. Thanks for watching.